Good morning, Year 2. For today ICT lesson on Friday 15 May is about using the word art. Lesson objective for today is add word art text and as well to change the style of the word art. So in the previous lesson, actually you have learned about how to use the text box. So for today's lesson, success criteria you're going to achieve that you can add word art text onto the page. You can change the text in word art text, or you can change whatever text inside the text box. And also you can change the style of the word art. So we can click more for more information. So Microsoft Word is the name of software that allow you to make word art and to give a text different shapes and different colors that word art means. Normally we use word art to make titles. So titles that we are going to make for this lesson is the Happy Mother's Day. So once you uh, listen to this video, when you finish listening or see what you need to do, you can download the attached file and open it. And you try to complete the work as explained. An example of completed work has been shown to you also. And once you're done, you can take the picture of the completed work and submit to the comment at any time. And what you're going to achieve today is something like this. Okay, we're going to add three word art text box, one for happy, one for mothers, one for day. All this together we call it title. So to start the work of this lesson, you have to click one more attachment here. You need to download this worksheet. So to download, you can click this three little dot there. You can click here and click download. And once you download and save to the computer, there is a bottom corner of the browser. There's little arrow. You can click it and click open. Okay. Once you click open, this file will be open in Microsoft Word and your computer. So to make it bigger, just click this green arrow to make it bigger. So you will see the page will look something like this. There is a border picture there, but your task only to add the three word art text box on the in the middle. So you can make it this page look bigger or smaller. You can use view. You can change to zoom 100%, page width, or you can choose one page. Okay, so for this time I'm going to use one page. You click on one page and you can see all the page in one time. So the first we're going to add the first word art for happy. So go to add the word art, you have to go insert and then you choose word art. There is on the toolbar there up the on the top side of the Microsoft Word toolbar, you find the word art. There is a small arrow there. You click on it, and then you choose the style one. And for me, I would like to choose this one. Once you click, it will add the word art text box anywhere around the page. Okay, so once you find it, you have to left click your mouse on the box and move it to the center. And the second success criteria that you can change the words inside. Now the word inside to change, you double click and highlight everything using your mouse. And then change, just type the words you. So for this one, the first word is happy. Once you type, we're going to change the font size. You click the box and go to home. And there is font size, there's numbers there. Click this arrow and then find the biggest one. For me, it's 72. Just click 72. And then I want to, and also change the font style you like. So at this moment, it's Times New Roman. And then you click this one. And then I'm going to change to others. So you can change any font style you like. There's so many. Maybe for me, I'm going to use this one. Okay. When I choose all these font style and font size, the next thing I'm going to, the third success criteria that you can change the style of the text. You can change the color for the outline of the text and also the inside of the text. To do so, make sure you have clicked the text itself. You click the text, there is a box there, and then it's up there the shape format. Click on it, and what you're going to do now, you're going to change this one. This is text field for color inside, and this one for the outline, for the line outside the text. So to do so, I'm going to change the text outline first. So you click this arrow. We're going to show you a different colors can choose from. So for this one, I'm going to choose this one. And for inside, you can choose text field to color inside the text to other color you like. So you click this particular arrow, and then you can choose any color you like. So for me, I choose this for outline. For the inside, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so we done the coloring, the outline of the text, and also fill color of the text. You can change actually to any color you like. Make sure you just click the shape for the text box and open the shape format, and then you're going to see like something like this, text fill for the inside and this one for text outline. So we done for the first words. So the second words is mothers. So make sure you click anywhere on the page. Make sure you don't select anything. So now we're going to insert the second word art. Go to insert again and choose word art, and then you're going to choose this one. You can choose any style you like, and for me I'm going to choose this one. And once you click, it will place it somewhere on your page, and find it where first and move it to the center, and then change the words. Change the word first. Is mothers, and then make sure the box is selected and go home and change the font size to the biggest one. I'm going to use 72, and then I'm going to choose a different font style also. Now it's Calibri, but I'm going to choose others, maybe like the Aharoni. Okay, it's up to you what kind of font you like to use. So once it's a word art text box, you still can move it and I go anywhere on the page. So I'm going to move here and the one up a little bit. Okay. So just close anything if it's appeared. You just move it. Remember, you can use your arrow key also to up and down. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to change the color outside the text and also inside the text. So make sure the box for this particular word has been selected. You click on the text and make sure the shape format on the toolbar, and this toolbar has been opened for you. And if for the outline, we're going to change using this one for the color inside for this one. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to change the outline first. So I would like to use this any color you like. Maybe I would like to use something like this one. Okay, or any color you like. Okay, and inside I would like to use the more pink color or more light color. So if you want to add more color, you can use more fill color. You click on it, there is a selection of other colors you have. So I would like to use a pink one for the inside. So you can choose to the pink, and you can choose adjust this one also, and then click OK. It will add for you, and we change it. Okay, see this for the inside. So we done for the third words. Okay, happy mother. So to add more style to the words, for example this one for mothers, you can use this one. You click this text effect, and for this one I want to use glow. And I want to use glow like this. Okay, so we add glow to your text. Okay, so we done for the mothers, and then the third word is day. So make sure you don't click any box. You just go to insert, and you click on the word art again, and then choose any font, any design you like. Maybe I would like to use this one. And once it's added, you add it on the page. You make sure you move it to the center, and then you just change the word to day, and then you can move a little bit here, and then I want to change to make sure the box has been selected. You go home, and then you change the font size to the biggest one. Maybe I want to make it italic a little bit, and I would like to change to other font style also, maybe this one. Okay, and then I want to change the outline and also the color inside. I will go to shape format, and this time I want to use something more oranges for the outline, something like this. And then inside I would like to use um, the light a green gradient color. Click the green one, and then when you go to text field again, you can choose gradient also. Okay. Okay, you can make it bigger. You cannot see the text. Oh, sorry. So if anything happen, you can still add Control Z to undo anything, undo any wrong things. So you just move it. If you want to change to other word art, also possible. You click the box and you can change to any word art you like. Okay. So make sure the box has been changed. You can change to other style of the word art. Okay, so once you're done, you can take the picture for the finished work. To make sure you go to view and one page. And if you want to, if anything happen accidentally, you just Control Z to undo the action, or you can download again the worksheet and do it one more time. So you can save your file and you can print out and also to give to your mother. But for the purpose of submission, just take the picture and submit to the comment below at any time by the next Wednesday. If you have any problem, you still can ask me. Thank you.